The 1978 Triumph GT6 is a classic British sports car known for its sleek design, impressive performance, and timeless appeal. As a two-seater coupe, it carries the legacy of Triumph's engineering, offering an exhilarating driving experience with a lightweight body and a powerful Inline-6 engine. The GT6 stands out with its distinctive fastback design, inspired by the racing world, giving it a dynamic and aerodynamic profile that turns heads even today. The long hood, curved fenders, and chrome accents add to its vintage charm, making it a true icon of its era. Under the hood, the 1978 Triumph GT6 is powered by a 2.0-liter Inline-6 engine, delivering a smooth yet powerful ride, producing around 105 horsepower. It may not seem like much by modern standards, but in a lightweight chassis, it translates into an engaging and spirited drive. The rear-wheel drive setup enhances handling, and the independent rear suspension improves stability, making it a pleasure to drive on winding roads. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, it provides a raw and connected driving experience that enthusiasts love. The acceleration is lively, and the engine delivers a satisfying growl that adds to the thrill of driving this classic machine. The Triumph GT6 is not just about looks and speed. It also holds historical significance in the world of classic cars. Originally developed as a coupe version of the Spitfire, it quickly gained recognition for its improved aerodynamics and more powerful engine. Over the years, it became a favorite among collectors and restorers due to its unique charm, affordability, and mechanical simplicity. Owning a GT6 today is a rewarding experience, offering a connection to an era when sports cars were pure, engaging, and built for driving pleasure. On the road, the GT6 delivers a lively performance with precise steering and a responsive throttle. The independent rear suspension, introduced in later models, helps improve ride comfort and handling, making it one of the more refined classic sports cars of its time. While it may not match modern performance vehicles in outright speed, its charm lies in the experience it provides: raw mechanical feedback, a thrilling exhaust note, and the joy of driving a car that feels truly alive. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast or someone looking to experience vintage motoring, the 1978 Triumph GT6 is a remarkable piece of automotive history. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews, test drives, and insights into the world of classic cars. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest classic car features, restorations, and expert reviews. Keep watching for more exciting content on timeless automotive legends.